10. Funding and partnership strategy for AccouNetrics. 1. Funding strategy. Mizajai seeks $30 million in seed funding to enhance AccouNetrics web application development, hire key talents, scale operations, and support marketing efforts. Mizajai will target angel investors which will align with AccouNetrics' mission of democratic states residents voting participation and identification transparency microservices platform ecosystem and pursue series of funding from venture capital firms who are focused on civic technological and cloud services. Additionally, Mizajai aimed to secure grant funding from government and nonprofit sources to support AccouNetrics innovations in states residents voting verifications and NIST data privacy compliance. 2. Partnership strategy. Mizajai will establish strategic technology partnerships with cloud providers, e.g., AWS, Azure, or create AccouNetrics' own cloud services and IDME to scale our platform and ensure cost-efficient measures, and AccouNetrics secure infrastructure. Mizajai will also collaborate with government agencies to integrate AccouNetrics microservices ecosystem solutions into the iVote ballot and identification residence transparency platform microservices, and work with fintech and cybersecurity firms to enhance platform security more effectively. Mizajai focus includes partnerships with academic institutions for R&D and community organizations to ensure AccouNetrics microservices platform ecosystem services meet the needs of an underserved populations. Milestones. 24 months. Secure $30 million seed funding and presents the investors with a complete AccouNetrics states microservices platform ecosystem. 26 months. Mizajai will establish 2 key partnerships, launch pilot programs with 2 states government agencies contracts through AccouNetrics sales team. 48 months. Expand to 2 additional states, secure Series B investors funding, and prepare for global growth. Mizajai is committed to driving AccouNetrics growth and innovations through strategic funding and partnerships to transform the state's democratic residents' voting participations and identification transparency microservices platform ecosystem. AccouNetrics. 11. Target market. AccouNetrics has strategically targeted its market by focusing on a diverse range of individuals, companies, and organizations that require advanced data management and secure digital voting microservices. Central to this is the democratic states residents' voting participation and identification transparency microservices platform ecosystem, which offers solutions tailored to ensuring secure, transparent, and efficient electoral processes. Key target segments include 1. Government and state agencies. AccouNetrics partners with states departments like the Department of Transportation, Driver License Division, and voter commissions to provide secure and efficient residence identification services through the microservices platforms, part of the AccouNetrics ecosystem built for transparency and a democratic participation. 2. Tech-savvy digital users. The microservices platforms are designed for an individual's, companies, and organizations' comfortabilities who prioritize convenience and security in a digital microservices technological age, aligning with their tech-forward lifestyles. 3. Corporate and international clients. The AccouNetrics microservices platform's ecosystem supports corporations and global entities by offering scalable data management microservices platforms, ensuring transparency and security in an international elections for a business voting scenarios. 4. Small businesses and startups. For startups and smaller entities needing secure and customizable data microservices controls, AccouNetrics provides microservices platforms as a service, MaaS, and API as a service, APIs, enabling them to build their own secure and transparent systems for data management and voting microservices platforms ecosystem. 5. Privacy-conscious entities. Those individuals, companies, and organizations whom prioritizing privacy in a voting and data handling will appreciate AccouNetrics' focus on an advanced cryptographic algorithms that ensure each state's residents' voters' anonymity and secure their identity management in all aspects of democratic participation. 6. Privacy-conscious entities. Schools, universities, and nonprofit organizations can leverage the AccouNetrics ecosystems to manage elections or internal decision-making processes with full transparency and security in mind. This strategic focus solidifies AccouNetrics' commitment to fostering democratic participation while ensuring states' residents' identification transparency through its comprehensive microservices platforms ecosystem. AccouNetrics. 12. Strategic approach. AccouNetrics' strategic marketing approach focuses on leveraging cutting-edge technology and forming key partnerships to enhance states' residents' democratic participations and verifiable identification transparency. By integrating an advanced cryptographic algorithms and scalable microservices platforms ecosystem, we provide secure and efficient solutions for states' government agencies, businesses, and voters alike. Our iVote ballot platform microservice exemplifies our commitment to safeguarding the voting process, ensuring data integrity and anonymity. We aim to build long-term partnerships with states and federal agencies, while also scaling globally to which support secure democratic processes worldwide. This customer-centric, technology-driven strategy positions AccouNetrics as a leader in the secure digital voting and data management ecosystem space. AccouNetrics. 13. Future expansion. AccouNetrics' future expansion is centered on scaling its microservices platforms ecosystem and iVote ballot microservice platform globally, with plans to enter in international markets and adapt to a diverse electoral ecosystems. We aim to establish strategic partnerships with governments, corporations, and institutions worldwide to provide secure voting and data customs identification management data solutions. As we expand, we will enhance our platform's ecosystem's capabilities, offering tailored microservices for various industries while maintaining a strong focus on privacy, security, and transparency. Additionally, we plan to explore new sectors, including healthcare and finance, to extend our data management ecosystem and cryptographic solutions beyond democratic participations. Through continuous innovations and global outreach, AccouNetrics will solidify its presence as a leading provider of secure digital online solutions. AccouNetrics. 14. Financial overview. AccouNetrics anticipates a significant monthly revenue stream of $3,774,012,745 from states' residents' subscription sales, based on a $20 fee per resident across all U.S. states. This revenue includes operational costs such as state, federal, postal, banking, auditing, legal, and law enforcement fees, ensuring a compliance and regulatory transparency. The platform's monthly earnings demonstrate a robust foundation for reinvesting in states' infrastructure, enhancing state services offerings, and supporting continued growth in its user base across the country. On an annual basis, AccouNetrics expects to generate $45,288,152,940 from these states' residents' subscription fees, solidifying its long-term financial sustainability projection. The yearly revenue earned subscriptions reflects the platform's growing influence and the transition of states' residents from an existing government-operated online platforms to AccouNetrics microservices platforms ecosystem. This transition will enable states' governments to phase out their current systems while AccouNetrics supports secure and streamlined digital microservices for states' residents, benefiting both the platform ecosystem and states' economies. As AccouNetrics scales up its operations, these revenue projections underline the company's potential for expansion and the continued shift in how states' residents interact with governmental services. The anticipated total earnings from states' resident revenue stream subscription sales are a testament to AccouNetrics' role as a leading provider in the digital microservices platform's ecosystem space, positioning the company for continued growth and dominance in the market.
AccouNetrics company description: name and headquarters. Our company legal name is AccouNetrics. Our business structure is small business startup, private, pre-revenue phase. AccouNetrics was founded in 2018 by Sarai Hannah Ajay. Our headquarters principal location will be located within the United States in Naperville, Illinois. AccouNetrics website URL name is AccouNetrics.com. AccouNetrics company description: vision statement. AccouNetrics aims to be the go-to platforms for delivering seamless, secure, and efficient microservices ecosystem and APIs. Our microservices platforms are designed to advance digital government systems, improve states' users' data accessibility, and set new standards in an identification transparency and democratic voting participations. By focusing on these values, we aspire to transform public and private sector interactions with AccouNetrics digital infrastructure state-of-the-art encryption protocols to protect sensitive data. AccouNetrics company description: mission statement. to empower communities and businesses by providing AccouNetrics microservices platforms ecosystem as a service, MaaS, and API as a service, APIs, solutions that foster states' users' transparency, enhance democratic voting engagement, and improve states' users' control over their personal data information. AccouNetrics is committed to innovations, advanced digital security, and creating accessible solutions for states' identification and verification processes across all governmental agencies and businesses industries. AccouNetrics Company Description Objectives. 1. Innovative microservices platforms ecosystem. Build a comprehensive ecosystem of the microservices platforms and APIs that will replace outdated states-run digital platforms and revolutionize governmental agencies and corporate processes. 2. Democratic voting participation. Create a state's user-centric approach that facilitates greater transparency in a civic and governmental processes, empowering state citizens to engage more freely and with greater control over their state's personal data. 3. Financial growth. Generate substantial revenue through subscription-based services, targeting both public and private sectors, with projections for a monthly revenue stream of $3.77 billion and an annual revenue stream of $45.28 billion based on full operational capacity forecast in the next 3 to 5 years. 4. Market leadership. Establish AccouNetrics as a leader in the micro-services platform ecosystem and API sectors by focusing on scalability, states' user-centric design, and best-in-class architectural technology with an infrastructure's NIST encryption security protocols. 5. Talent acquisition. Build a world-class team, including positions for a CIO, COO, CFO, AI engineer, software developers, UX/UI designer, data analyst, HR director, office clerks, legal advisor, sales team and HR psychologists for assisting in employees' hiring psychological assessments to ensure efficient AccouNetrics operations and ethical hiring practices. AccouNetrics Company Description Products and Services. Core offerings. 1. Microservices platform. AccouNetrics' robust suite of digital services allowing government agencies, businesses, and organizations to manage and streamline their micro-services across various domains in one ecosystem, including secure states user authentications, data handling, and modular application functionalities. 2. APIs as a service. AccouNetrics customizable APIs that facilitate easy and secure integrations with minimizations usage of third-party systems, enabling governments agencies, businesses, and organizations to leverage a high-quality data in a controlled microservices platform's ecosystem environment. 3. Identification solutions. AccouNetrics microservices platform's ecosystem digital identification system is designed to provide clear and secure states users accesses to their individual identification data information, supporting states-run user autonomy over their personal data information. AccouNetrics Company Description Target Market. AccouNetrics is positioned to serve government agencies, private businesses and organizations. By phasing out outdated, states-run online platform services, AccouNetrics will bring in advanced, secure, and architectural infrastructures encryption transparent solutions to data management and civic engagement processes rights. Target clients includes 1. Government institutions, states and locals government agencies requiring secure, scalable, and modernized services platforms for their civic engagements and microservices platforms ecosystem delivery. 2. Private sector businesses, enterprises needing reliable microservices and APIs for data handling, customer interactions, and secure authentication microservices platforms ecosystems. 3. Organization sectors, institutions demanding high security and customers' data privacy information standards for a customer interactions and data management microservices platform ecosystem. AccouNetrics Company Description Competitive Advantage. AccouNetrics distinguishes itself through 1. Innovation and technology. AccouNetrics is leveraging the latest in microservices platform cloud computing, machine learning, AI, and secure API developments to offer flexible, powerful ecosystem solutions that surpass government agencies, businesses and organizations traditional services online platforms. 2. Commitment to transparency and accessibility. AccouNetrics offering solutions designed to give states-run end users controls and verifications clarity over their personal data information, reinforcing trust and enhancing civic engagement voting elections process. 3. Strategic partnerships. AccouNetrics is fostering connections with angel investors and industry experts to support the rapid growth and deployment of AccouNetrics microservices platform's ecosystem solutions, as a product.